Hi guys and welcome to today's live intraday trading. So right now I'm buying ICICI in the market level now around 1251. So I've just bought it now. So let's see how the stock will perform. Okay, and I'm planning to keep the target up to like 6 or 7 points. So depending on the market movement. So as of now, as you can see here, the market is 0.32% up now, and ICICI has opened in 1246 level, and right now it's trading above its opening range. So I guess the stock can be bullish today. And also you can see in the previous day the stock has been gone down and has touched some of a main support level around 1220 and 1230. So from there is a bit of a gap up opening here, and I feel that this stock can go up according to my studies and analysis what I have done. So let's see how the stock will perform. So right now it's trading around 1251, and as you guys can see, the new high what it has made is 1251.45. So guys, let's see how the stock will perform now. And currently it's trading around 1251.35. It's trying to make a new high here, if you guys can see. So yes, so if you guys wish to get the live market updates from me and want to get the live market guidance from me, you can join us today. So guys, to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you need to have a good trading strategy and a trading setup. Okay, so in my course I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit. No indicators and no complicated things. It's a one-time payment. You get lifetime support with the live market guidance as well. Okay, the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. It's the amount what you spend for eating your favorite snack or a fast food in a month. And once you join us, you get lifetime support with the live market guidance. The same live trades what I'm taking, you will get the same support every single day. You can go inside my channel and watch daily live trades. So if you guys wish to get consistent update and consistent profit like this, you can join us today. And guys, yes, as you guys can see here, the stock has now made a new high of almost 1252. So once it gives a breakout here, I think the stock can move more faster is what I'm thinking. So 1252 has been given a breakout here. We're almost getting close to 1253. So let's see, once it touches 1256 or 1257, I'll just take my exit. So 1253 now. So we are almost getting closer to the target. So whatever the trade I am taking right now is based on my unique strategies without indicator. As you guys can see, I'm not using any indicator here, so I'm just taking the trade according to my study. So yes, 1255 is a new high what it has made now. So we are almost getting closer to the target, guys. So I'll just take the exit in the next few minutes and I'll update you about the trade. So until that, you can just continue to see the live trade what the stock is going to perform now. And yes, if you guys wish to get the personal guidance from me from today, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and get in touch with me personally and talk to me personally, and I'll be guiding you guys to make consistent profit in intraday trading. And the new high what it has made now is 1256.55. So I'll just take the exit now and I'll update you. So guys, yes, as you guys can see, the stock has made a high of 1251.40 now. So I've just taken my exit, and this was the profit what I was able to book today, the today's trade of ICICI. So if you guys wish to earn constant profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us today. And also you can go to the link in the description of this video and go inside my blog, and there you can see the earning proof and feedback from my clients what they have given us once they have joined and they're able to make constant profit. Okay, so even if you also wish to earn constant profit like this from today, you can join us now by messaging me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So guys, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So I upload daily live trades about what trade I take and what trade I do. So you can see all the performance, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market. The same trade what I take and the same levels what I do, you will get the same trades as well. Okay, so if you are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now.